Yeah, we are going to start now the manual testing. Exactly what is manual testing? Okay, this is the introduction class actually. Okay, just we will go through the definitions today. Okay, this first we are going to see the introduction to the here. Introduction to the software testing means what is the actually what is a software? What is the meaning of software actually? Any idea?
No.
Hmm. Okay, software is nothing but it's a set of lines of code which to be automating, right? Something we are going to automate it, right? Whatever it may be, okay? Either it may be applications or it may be hardware automation, whatever it may be. Before days, we are going to maintain the records, bank records, or otherwise going to bank example. If you are going to deposit any money into the means bank means in before days, okay? Means not when the computers not come into picture. Okay, at that point of time what they will do, just they have maintained their record in a books, right? Okay, they have to write it
Yeah.
and they have to give it. Okay, they have to maintain the record by the notebooks. Okay, if that particular records is going out means they won't have any proofs that we deposits in details about deposits or withdrawals. They don't have any information regarding that. Okay, it's a loss for the bank, right? Means it's a loss for the customer also if you don't have
Yeah.
any proofs at that point of time. Okay, but after that the computer came into picture, and after that software come into picture to do the particular record, means storage or backup, whatever it may be. Okay, we if the particular systems are not working properly at that point of time also, they have a backup. Okay, if they want to do any recovery, they can do that. Okay, means they are automating that particular maintaining records into some computers with the help of some application, right? That application will has developed by the software, nothing but one software. Okay, nothing but without human interaction or without means decreasing, by decreasing the human work, we are going to get the software actually. Means it will decrease the human effort, that's it. Okay, it's an interaction between the computer to the human. Okay, that is nothing but
That's right.
software, right? Okay, that is software. Okay, after means what is testing? Okay, means why we have to test the software here. Why we have to test the software? Okay, here why we have to test the software means, okay, means before days after coming into the picture, means computers come into the picture, the software come into the picture. Okay, they initially they don't have any testing department for any companies. Developers will develop the application, they only to do the testing, and after that they will deploy into the market, right? In previous days, in old days, they don't have any particular testing department, separate testing department. Developers only particular they will test the application. After that they will deliver the particular application to the client. Okay, here there is a drawback of that. I will tell you one example regarding UK. Okay, UK bank is there, one bank is there. Okay, actually developers had developed the application for the loaning system, means they are introduced student loans in the UK actually. Okay, one of the bank is there, they introduced student loans in the particular UK. Means after that, before getting the application, okay, developer did some mistake. Okay, what the mistake he did means, instead of every month for their principal, what the amount they have taken as a loan, the interest should be added to the principal, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but developer did some mistake at that point of time. Instead of adding the particular interest to the principal, okay, the particular what it is deducting. Okay, deducting from the, instead of giving, what he did a mistake means, instead of a plus symbol he has given the negative symbol. Negative symbol is nothing but
Yeah.
deducting, right? Okay, at that point of time testing is not there. Okay, that's why they delivered the application to the client directly. Okay, client is unable to do that because he don't have any technicality, right? Okay, they have trust on the company. They means they particular they deployed the application into the live environment. After that they have given the loans like that. After some years, okay, means after 1 year or 2 years, they observed that, okay, means instead of adding the interest to the principal, it is deducting from the principal actually. Okay, at that point of time, what they did means it's a big loss for the company, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, means at that point of time, if testing is there, it can be reduced at that point of time, right? Okay, maybe it will take 10%, 15% of loss comparing to the total loss to the company, right?
Correct.
Yeah, yeah, that point, that's the point here. Testing is the major thing coming to picture here. Okay,
Yeah.
you got it right.
I got it. Yeah.
Yeah, next. After that, this is the thing, one of the example I want to deliver it to you. Okay. After that, we will go in, yeah, deducting, instead of deducting the interest, it is, sorry, instead of adding the interest, it is deducting. That's why they got the loss from the company. Okay. Means now the testing definition is actually, okay, in before days, not nowadays. Actually, in olden days, the testing definition is nothing but testing the application, nothing but checking the functionalities of an application, means nothing but checking the functionalities of an application, means whether the particular application is working as per customer requirements or not. When you are going to start that particular checking means after developing the particular application, means in short words directly we are checking the application after development is that working as per customer requirements or not. Is nothing but testing. In previous days definition, not nowadays definition, the definition has redefined again. Okay, we will discuss that. What is that thing? Okay, here nothing but we are testing the application after developing the total application. Okay, here why the particular thing has come into picture means in previous days, first thing gathering requirements. First phase is gathering requirements. Okay, after that, what they will do? They will do some design part.
Analysis. Design.
Yes, after designing, they will do some coding. Okay, after coding, the testing part come into picture actually. Okay, this is the total cycle. Okay, first they have to gather the requirements, design, coding, and testing. Right, this is the flow actually it is going on in a companies. Okay, before going
Yeah.
into the particular process, first what is project and what is product. Okay, we will discuss about that. What is project? Okay, project is nothing but, okay, if you are developing any application or something, anything, okay, for the single point of customer, okay, in the point of single customer usage, that is called project. Okay, either it may be application, it may be means hardware things, whatever it may be. Okay, that is called project. Okay, product means if you are developing an application, okay, for the multiple users point of view. Multiple users here means it's a project explanation. For project, the example is ICICI. Take one example, ICICI Bank internal application. Okay, internal application. If you take a product for it, means what is the particular example means Microsoft. Take the Microsoft products. Okay, these are all comes under products things, OS or whatever it may be, what they are releasing into the market. All the things will comes under Microsoft products. Okay, means they are developing as per the customer requirements. After that, they are delivering into the market and they are checking that. Means is there any modifications we have to do after that? Means for better selling or for improving the business of their particular company, right?
Correct.
Yeah, this is the project and product here. Okay, means after that, after getting the information of project here, means first we have to know that after entering into the company, are we working under project or product? Okay,
Yeah.
means if whether what is the means, if you are going, if you are entering into the product oriented company, that is very beneficial for you compared to the project oriented companies.
How?
Okay, means here after gathering the requirements, if you go into project, means who is going to give the requirements in the point of project here?
Customer.
Yes, exactly. Here you will get the requirements from the customer. If you get any doubts, you are going to contact the customer, right?
Correct. Yeah.
Customer or client. If I have a doubt here, is product here project point of view, customer from the customer or client who is paying you, okay, they will give you the particular requirements, right? But in the point of project, who will give you the particular requirements?
In terms of a product, I think it's internal, isn't it?
Sorry,
So
sorry, I can't get you.
in terms of, yeah, in terms of product, requirements should
Hmm.
come from is internal. It's like part of discussion, like what else we can do. This sort of R&D
Hmm.
comes from the
R&D means
probably.
where they will do R&D, internal R&D or otherwise what they will do.
If it's a similar product available in the market, so they will read
Hmm.
what that
Hmm.
particular product is offering to the customers, and they will try to match or they will try to enhance, I guess.
Right. Mostly you reach the answer mostly. Okay, what is exact thing means? First, they will take an product, whatever it may be. Okay, if take Microsoft only, in that they want to daily release one more a new product into the market. Before releasing into the market, first they will do R&D in the market. What are the major applications is running in the market? First, they will analyze that. After analyzing that, what they are giving the features to the customer and what exactly customer is wanting regarding that application. Okay, they will do this R&D in the market. After doing this R&D, they will discuss with the internal things. After discussing that, they will come with the good product, means which is not available with the new features. Okay,
Yeah,
then only the particular product will be getting more means influence in the market, right? If you are having more features, then only they will accept. Okay, if customer want to buy something, means take an example. If you want to buy one mobile in the market, what you will do? You will do some R&D in the market, right? You will check the features, you will check the company brand, is that brand or not, how many years of warranty it is giving. Okay, what are the features having? You are going to think like this, right? If you want to buy anything,
correct. Yeah.
means if you are thinking that it is the best option, then only you will go for that, and accordingly you are going to buy that particular product, right? Okay,
That's right.
like this they will do R&D in the market. After doing this all the things, they will come up with the best features. Okay, after that completion of that thing, they will improve the particular product, they will deliver the particular product into the market. Okay, means it is not a single day activity or it is not a 2 days activity actually. Okay, means while developing also they have to do regular R&D, because every day by day the market is changing every day, right?
Correct. Yeah.
Yes, means if they will do R&D at the point of today, okay, and based on today's R&D, if they will start and if they will deliver into the market, before they are delivering into the market, someone else will deliver that particular features in the market.
Correct. Yeah.
Yeah, means if they want to means compete to the particular companies, means they have to do regular R&D in the market.
Yeah.
Yeah, that
Absolutely.
is the thing will be going on in the particular companies related to the product. Okay, after getting that, after doing the particular R&D, okay, they will start the developing particular application. Okay, means sometimes means Microsoft will release the OS. After that, they will give some patches, right, every time.
Yeah.
Yep,
They
means
do.
yes, means every time they have some drawbacks. To rectify the drawback, they will release some patches into the internet or to the market. After that, we have to install accordingly, right? Yeah, at that point of time, means if they are feeling that we have to improve ourselves with the other features, if they want to add some other features, means they will give the patches into the market, which they already installed in their computers by buying the license, whatever it may be.
Hmm.
Okay, that is the thing will be
Or
going
it's
on to
like
now.
correct. It's just like introducing the update version
Yes,
of that
nothing.
particular
Yes,
application.
exactly, updated versions. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. This is the nothing but this is the means clarification between project and product.
You said is as a tester is always good to involve as a part of the team in a product related
Hmm.
rather than a project related.
Yes.
What so how and what benefit you gotta have as a tester to involve in a product related testing environment?
Yes, exactly. Why I'm saying product related means project related means it will be available for 1 year or 6 months. Means if you are involving in a project oriented company, if you are entering it means if they are start a new project, if you are entering into that project as a tester, means if the project is having 1 year or 1.5 year or 2 years, if the for the development, okay, means if means it is not means after completion of that project they will move into your bench, right?
Oh yeah, I agree.
Yeah,
So in terms
means
of
yes,
stability side of it.
stability problem, and your career growth also maybe differ compared to the product to the project oriented companies.
But if you want to do the consultation after like let's say after 4 or 5 years of experience, then
Hmm.
project related
Hmm.
testing will give you more beneficial, more exposure because you're involved in so many projects
Ye-
uh, rather than working just a product related, no?
One more thing, you have to think not only in that side. Okay, you have to think other side also. If you are working for 4 or 5 years, means you are not a initial tester at that point of time, right?
Yeah.
You will means your position will be means more at that point of time compared to the project
Oh yeah.
oriented companies. You in if you are working in a product oriented companies means you will get the growth very fastly on your performance.
Yeah.
Yes, means if you
Okay,
are
got
going
it.
into other things means definitely if this project is not there with you, another product will be start, right?
Mm-hmm.
And one more thing, payment wise also the difference will be come into picture.
Got it.
Yeah,
No,
that is the
I
thing.
got the gist. Yeah.
Yeah, you clarified, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, regarding that, next coming into the particular development process. Okay, these are the basic requirements. I'm not discussing about total SDLC here. I'm highlighting here what is the difference between nowadays testing and previous days testing. Okay, my target is
Okay.
that this is not a total SDLC process actually. Okay, these are the requirements actually gathering requirements after that designing, after that coding and testing. Okay, what I'm trying to say is if you are doing any mistake in the point of coding, okay, while doing coding if you do any mistake means not us mistakes means here developers will do the mistakes, right?
Yeah.
While doing the coding if they will do some mistakes at that point of time, if they will identify the defect, okay, that is different. Okay, means after coding if the tester is finding the defects means the cost of fixing defect will be more, right? You got it, what is
I
cost
mean,
of fixing defect here?
compared to developer, yes.
Here CFD means cost of fixing defect. Okay, it's a cost of fixing defect. Means what is the meaning of cost of fixing defect here means if you want to resolve if any particular defect come into the picture, okay, if you want to resolve the particular defect means it will take how much amount or how much time it is taking. Okay, in the point of budget, if you want to resolve some issue, how much time it is taking or how much budget it is taking, they have to calculate it. Okay, it means according to that, if you are finding some mistake in the part of testing means the cost of fixing defect will be more, right? Yeah, if you means if you are finding some defect here, after that what you will do, you will report it to the developer. If the
Yeah.
particular means mistake will be done by the developer means he will do some modifications and he will send it to you again, means the cost of fixing
Okay.
defect will be little less, okay, compared to next I will tell you one more example. The coding part he didn't do any mistake in the point of developing the particular application, but according to the
Yeah.
design he has developed the application. But in design, if you will get any mistakes,
Yeah.
means it's not a mistake of developer, right?
Yes.
It's a mistake
Yes.
of designers who will design the particular documents or requirements. That is the mistake of designers, right?
Mm-hmm.
Means at that point of time, if you will get mistakes in the point of design, means they have to change the total design of the document. and after that they have to deliver to the developers, and they have to change the application according to those changes, and they have to send it to the testing department again. Means the cost of fixing defect will be more at that point of, right, comparing to the coding mistakes.
Yeah, absolutely.
Means like that, if designers also designed according to the gathering requirements, means designers also, if
Yeah.
they didn't do any mistakes, means BA while gathering the requirements he did some mistake. For suppose if he will do the mistake, the cost of fixing defect will be more compared to the designing part mistakes, right?
Yeah, I agree.
Means
Yeah.
here major thing we have to keep in mind is, okay, we have to decrease the cost of fixing defect every time. Okay, before delivering to the particular thing into the next stage, you have to cross check it every time. Means before doing the thing, if you are cross checking at least one time, means if you are finding yourself some mistakes, means definitely you will rectify at that point of time, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you are rectifying at that point of time, means the cost of fixing defect will be decreased.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, this is the major advantage. Means before days the testing is like this. Okay, the testing part will come into picture after completion of coding. Means
Mm-hmm.
we are checking, nothing but definition is, we are checking whether the developed application is working as per customer requirements or not.
That's good. Yeah.
You got it right? Means can I repeat the line once
Yes.
again?
I got it.
Yeah, this is the thing will be going on. Means nowadays that's why the particular testing definition has redefined. As what? Okay, here testing means nowadays the definition is, testing is the combination of, testing is the combination of verification and validation. What is verification and what is validation here? Do you have any idea? Dipesh?
I guess verification is like verifying the requirements of the customers and making sure that we are going as per the customer's requirements. And the validation part of it is whether it is working
Hmm.
as per the customer's. So the validation will come into the picture once we develop the application, and then when we are doing the testing accordingly, then it's called a validation. And the verification is like we are verifying customers' requirement and making sure that
Not yes.
we are
What you're saying is right, but means verification is nothing but that is not a single time activity. Okay, means if you
ongoing.
put, yeah, verification means here the thing, first phase is actually, verification is nothing but first phase what they will come into picture means gathering requirements, right?
Yeah.
Here gathering requirements means after gathering the requirements, okay, we have to cross check it. Nothing but here we are going to review the requirements. Okay, means in this point, while gathering the requirements itself, if we'll do some review on the particular requirements, nothing but what they will do means after BA taking the particular requirements from the customer to the company, okay, what they will discuss the thing, after discussing the total requirements, they will prepare one document. Okay, it's a hard requirements, nothing but that is business requirement specification. BRS will be prepared up to here.
Okay.
You got it right? Means at this point, if I will deliver this, it will get bounce. Okay, means I will discuss this thing after completion of SDLC. Okay, means you will get some confusions and questions at this point of time. Okay, just remember it as what is the testing means. Nowadays definition is testing is nothing but verification and validation. Keep that is in my mind. Okay, I will discuss it later. Okay.
So if somebody says, what is testing? So for example, if I go in an interview and somebody says, what is testing? So test, so redefine version of a testing. That is what I gotta say, right?
Okay, okay, I will tell you that thing. Means here the nothing but here what you are doing means what is the means testing means you have to give the definition as it's a simply verification and validation. Verification is nothing but here whether the particular developing application is working as per customer requirements or not. Nothing but verification. And validation, what is validation means whether we are means checking off whether the particular developed application is working as per customer requirements or not. Okay, while developing the application, if you are doing some review means that is nothing but verification. After developing the application, if you are doing some testing means nothing but validation part will come into picture.
Correct.
You got idea regarding verification and validation?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's simple, yes.
Yes, it's a simple thing. Okay, means just tell the definition as testing is nothing but combination of verification and validation. Okay. Do you have any doubts regarding this?
No, just to reconfirm,
Which thing?
verification is nothing but whatever the activities which we do while developing the application is classified as a verification, while validation is like once we develop the application and then whatever the activities we do that will classify as a validation.
Okay, 1 second. Nothing but okay, that is the thing which you are doing. Verification is nothing but just tell me that. But right now means if I will discuss the thing after discussing the particular SDLC process or after testing process, you will get to know that what is the exact difference between verification and validation.
Okay.
Okay, means as a tester, as a tester you are going to involve in particular validation part, not in a verification part. Okay.
Okay.
As a tester, you are going to involve in particular validation part, not in a verification.
Not in a verification.
Verification part.